friends, let's uncover the magic behind the AI writing together. First of all, let's look at the easy-to-use AI templates. You can find them in the AI writing section. I'm going to show you a few of them to give you an idea of how it all works. Let's go for a start paragraph template. You can find it in here, and you also have it in the context menu. So you highlight a heading that you want to write your paragraph for. Now click on AI writing, and as you can see, you have a couple of options here. You can start paragraph, expand, or rephrase. Let's go for start paragraph. As you can see, heading is already here. Now you can include terms and information you want NEURONwriter to include in the paragraph. You choose tone of voice and set content length. Now let's place a cursor in a place you want your text to appear and click the button Write for me. Your paragraph is ready. Similar steps you take when you want to rephrase or extend certain text. You highlight the text that you want to rephrase. You go for AI writing, rephrase. Now you choose a tone of voice. Write for me. That's all. Moving on to another template. If you have many unused recommended terms, you can use FAQ with unused terms. You can find them in the advanced templates section in here. This is one of our most popular templates as it quickly boosts your content score and makes it more valuable to users by providing answers to their frequently asked questions. As you can see here, NEURONwriter has already entered all the unused terms in the right places. In the meantime, look at the content score. Here is the FAQs. Our content score is now at 82, and before that it was 64. And as you can see, this is a significant increase in the content score. Now, moving to custom templates, you can find them next to the AI templates. Use them to create your own unique and customized templates and have them ready whenever you need them. This option is great for those who feel confident in writing prompts for AI. The explanation of them is ready in another video, so I'm going to move to the last feature, that is Content Designer. This tool replaces all those steps that you had to take to create content from zero. As a result, you can create high-quality content fast. Let's go through it together. Voila! Your article is ready, and as you can see, it's already at 65 points. Now, if you want to increase your content score, you can use FAQ with unused terms template. That's all.